what is lead reactivations, right? What it is essentially is like a lot of companies will do a lot of marketing over time. So let's say over the last 10 years they've been in business, they run a lot of ads. And, they have a lot of leads that if they just had followed up with, they would have unlocked a lot more money. So now, only because it's possible to use AI to do this, you can use AI to do all this follow up, right? And unlock all that. And a creative use is that, you can just take lists and make sure AI is following up with these old lists and making sure they're reactivated. And the same thing, people were creative and my community, and they were running things like promo offers, like let's say Black Friday, there's a new product. You take a list of customers, right? And then you just use AI to text them or call them about these promo offers, and you get a lot more bang for your buck. So you can keep running these. All right. So let me show you how to build a system for that. Okay. So to do that, again, we go to System Builder, we go to Create a System, we hit Lead Reactivation. Let's say Black Friday. And we're going to choose WhatsApp, continue, use existing. Boom. We can hit WhatsApp. You can, and then let's create a new agent this time, right? And it's going to create a new agent. And the reason we're doing this now is because we want to know about a different offer. So let's make a totally different company. Let's call it Acme Skincare. Use the name Johnny. We sell the best skincare for warts. To see if our users are interested in a 20% off Black Friday deal. I don't have a website right now, but I'm gonna make the prompt. Context about your business. So this business, we're having a new Black Friday offer for 20% off for skincare for getting rid of warts. So help the user get that in place. And you can be intentionally vague because you can make the prompts or edit it later. But the AI is going to do its best to use the information you give it to create that entire brain for itself. So right now, it's just thinking through everything we just told it, creating your prompt. And now we're also gonna, we're gonna connect our calendar now. Same thing, the same calendar. And you see how each system progressively gets a lot easier and faster to do after you kind of have the first one in place. So we're gonna make a new list. So this is like, who you're trying to contact. Let's make a new list. Say people with warts. Awesome. So let's download the CSV template. Okay, right here. Let's open it up and let's say Jane Doe has it. And let's give Jane Doe my number so I can show you guys me getting a text. And then right here, let me save this as a CSV. Export to CSV, save. Let's call it warts list. Cool. Okay. Now let's hit upload. Let's look for warts list. Awesome. Let's drag this in, hit open, preview fields. So now what's going to happen is now we just need to match, first name with last name, email, phone. So you can see my phone number here from what I changed. And let's upload this list who we're going to be starting to do outreach to. All right. Okay. Now it's going to start the strategy. So the strategy is again, essentially like it's going to WhatsApp me once and then do it again, etc. Okay. And let's look at the system. And I showed you guys a lot of the stuff, but right now, what I'm going to show you is how you can test this with right here. If you can execute campaign or you want to test with a lead. So if I hit execute campaign, you can see people with warts. I can choose even if like there's other leads lists I want to go with. I can do that. I can hit this and let me test with the lead now. So let's just call myself. Yeah, cool. Okay, so I'm going to run the strategy and the lead reactivation on that list. Let me just hit execute campaign. Boom. And then in a little bit, I'll show you the message I got. Hey, Samin, we're running a special Black Friday deal on warts cream. Did you want me to send you a sample? Okay. Anyways, you see, this is like, you can do random reactivation type offers like this. And then people are going to be like, what? You can do stuff like this. And a lot of clients, let's say you message 100 people, even if like 10 people are interested, 5 of those may buy. And you can unlock a lot of money for your clients